Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy heart envelope for Valentine's Day. The supplies you'll need are paper, heart cutouts, a glue stick, a black marker, scissors, and a white marker or whiteout pen. To begin, fold the paper in half. Draw half of a large heart. Next, cut it out. Now fold in half and fold another half, lining up the edge of the paper to the center crease. Using the fold lines, bring the corners of the heart to the center. Next, fold the top part of the heart about a quarter down. Fold the bottom of the heart up. You should have a rectangular shape. To decorate the front of the envelope, I'm going to make white lines all the way around the envelope. I add black lines, and I glue a heart as a stamp. To write a message, open the envelope, flip the heart over, and write any message you'd like. When you're done, fold the heart back together and glue a heart to seal the envelope. To finish the envelope, I'm going to decorate the back similar to what I did in the front. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Happy crafts!